How to sell your house faster. Question: why is it many houses sit on the market for 6 to 12 months? Answer: because they get it wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you the 4 crucial P's when it comes to selling your house faster. So let's go. So, every home seller I've ever come across in 20 years and having sold over £400 million of a property, they want to sell quickly for the highest price possible. But there are so many properties that are stuck on the market for weeks and months and sometimes years without selling. So why is that? I'm going to break it down in this video. You're going to learn exactly how to avoid it when it comes to selling your house, and you're going to discover the hidden secrets that not many homeowners know. So let's do it. Okay, so I mentioned the 4 crucial P's. Let's jump into those at a high level. The first is price. The second is presentation. The third is promotion. And stick with me until the 4th, because that's going to be really surprising to you. But before we jump into that, drop a comment below. Why do you think houses take a long time to sell? Right, so number 1, price. Probably the most important thing you've got to get right so your house don't sit on the market for months and months and months. Remember this, price is there to entice. I'm going to probably confuse you a bit now, but the lower you price your house, the higher you are likely to sell it for. There's a caveat to that, and I'll come on to that in a minute. But pricing really high, hoping you're going to get some certain price, and end up having to reduce and reduce and reduce, just causes you unnecessary pain and suffering and sitting on the market. The house stagnates, looks like no one else wants to buy it. So it's really important that you price to entice. Now the caveat there is that you have to be with an estate agent who is going to still try and achieve you the highest price. Price low, sell high. Use the words guide price or offers in excess of price to really attract the interest into your house, because all it does when you overprice your house is you help buyers justify buying the house round the corner that's actually priced quite well. Alright, so presentation, number 2, crucial P number 2 is presentation. I'll be honest, right? It frustrates the hell out of me when home sellers can't even be bothered to tidy up their house, make it look nice, clean the weeds from outside the front patio, jet wash the drive, make sure the garden's looking nice, paint the door frames. It's really important that when selling your house or wanting a quick sale, your house has got to look 10 out of 10. I'm not saying refurbish the whole place and put new kitchens and new bathrooms. Just take a bit of effort and a bit of pride in that curb appeal. It is really true that buyers will decide within the first 60 seconds as to if they're going to offer on your house or not. So crucial P number 3, promotion. There's no point pricing your house correctly, presenting it to the market really well, if hardly no one's going to see it. So promotion is where it's at. You've got to shout from the rooftops. I'm talking Rightmove, Zoopla, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, pro photography. Bonus tip, do not let your estate agent take pictures. You need to make sure you or they are employing a professional photographer. Get those perfect shots, not just some dodgy tilted pictures that aren't going to do the house justice. But we're talking about promotion, right? So not many people know this, but us agents have access to 2 levels of marketing and promotion on Rightmove, which is the UK's #1 property portal. Everyone goes there to look for houses. There's a standard package, or tell you, there's 3. There's standard, optimizer, and enhanced. It doesn't really matter which package they're on as long as they're not on the standard. So we can pay for higher promotion of houses on Power Bespoke's website and Rightmove account, and they show up first in searches. They occupy what's called a featured property box that brings more eyeballs, more viewings, more offers, a higher price. Right, so let me talk about crucial P number 4, and this one is the most crucial. Because if you get this wrong, price, presentation, promotion, we're all pointless doing in the first place. And that's person. And I'm talking about the actual person who's handling the day-to-day sale, marketing, promotion, inquiries, viewings, offers, sales progression of your house. I'm not talking company or brand, I'm talking person. You might have the biggest estate agency in your town that's got the most properties, but the person that comes around to your house is just not impressive. You just didn't get a real feel for them. Their marketing plan wasn't impressive. You didn't feel like they were going to do the best outcome for you. So make sure when you choose an estate agent that you're happy with the person that you're choosing Then ask them what's their plan and strategy around pricing, around presentation, around promotion. If they're good, they'll have all that to hand and they'll talk you through it step by step. What you don't want is to be tied in to a 16 or 21 week contract, because those are called licenses to be lazy. Once you've signed that bit of paper, you're tied to that agent then for 16, 21 weeks potentially, and it doesn't matter how they promote it, how they present it, the person necessarily handling it, because you're tied in. Make sure you don't sign one of those. There's a quick overview of the 4 crucials to sell your house faster. Drop me a like below if you enjoyed the content. Comment what do you want me to record. I've got loads of stuff that I want to record, but I'd rather record things that are helping you guys out there. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon so you get notified when new videos are released. I'll see you on the next one.